Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. For those who are new, my name is Kay, and here you will find Hermes content with tips and tricks because I just love everything about Hermes at the moment. Occasionally, we'll also bring you along on trips that I take. Thank you for those who subscribe, and if you have not done so, I would love for you to take this moment and click the subscribe button below. Much appreciate for that. Today, I'm sharing my third quota I got to add to my age collection, or I call it my happy collection currently. I got this offer 6 months after my second quota bag. We'll link it below if you have not seen the unbox. Let's get started with revealing the bag along with story time and more tips and tricks. Not sure about you, but I just never get tired seeing those unboxed videos. What about you? Are you the same? Alright, to review. Ta-da! I know. Not another Kelly. Well, by now you should know that I'm Team Kelly. Yay! This is Kelly 25 Retin-A style Togo leather, and the color is grease mirror with palladium hardware. Perfectly, right? Beautiful. Very minor veining here. We'll take a quick look inside the embossed stamp here. See, with the combination of Togo leather and Retin-A style, it's quite easy to get in and out of the bag. Inside, one main compartment, a small front pocket, and a zip back pocket. Just leave it here for now. And the clochette. Well, I just checked the number on the key, and the lock are the same or match. Shoulder strap, a nest stamp. Well, after my first and second quota, I got to experience both sizes of Kelly 25 and 28. I know my preferred size now is 25. I was determined to add an iconic Kelly in my preferred size, style, and color, which is Kelly 25 Retin-A and in gold color to my collection. Well, for me, hardware will elevate your bag, but depending on the color of the bag. So normally, I'm flexible in terms of the hardware. Give that specs to my SA to work on, though I got this offer. Instead, my SA presented this and said it's not my exact spec and I don't have to take it unless I love it. And my SA is still working on my exact or my preferred spec. My thought at the time was, it's true that I was looking and waiting for that iconic combination, though an opportunity is given to me now to add this lovely, beautiful, by the way, neutral color in my preferred size and style to my age collection. then why not, right? Do you agree? Love to hear your thought in the comment section below. For pre-spent on one visit, I got a lamp right there, a table lamp, a polo shirt for my hubby, a belt. On the day I got this offer, I got a set of teacup and saucer, a ring, and a pair of nails. All together, the pre-spend ratio is 0.83, so it's the same as my second Quota bag. Again, these are my opinion from my own experience along the way that I learned through my journey. Well, not just this Hermes journey, but going through life in general. A lot of time, it's all about timing. Do you agree? Unless you are very firm about your spec and that will be the only bag you're after, then by all means wait for it. But of course, it could be a wait, since Hermes has so many variety combinations of letter type, sizes, style, and the colors. So for me, if you can't be flexible and open to more options, this will open to more possibility for your SA to work around, for your Quota bag or for your offer. Even though the timing didn't allow me to add that exact preferred Kelly this time, it was a perfect time 6 months later. Not sure if you've seen my unbox of my 4 Quota bag. If you have not seen the unbox, I will also link below as well. Well, I will end this here and will continue sharing anything new to my happy collections. If you like the video, give it a like or pass it along if you think this can be helpful for friends and family. Any question, let me know in the comment section below. We'll try to answer the best I can. Thank you for clicking on this video and stay until now. I hope to see you very soon, and until then, keep shining. Bye bye.